to Blender Studio LiveNoding. In this episode, I want to share with you this geometry nodes tree that creates kind of like an artwork based on a profile curve. I'm gonna show you all the process. So in this case, I'm using this Elon Musk profile face, but you can use your own face or your friends, family, or other celebrities. And the output is either this or another one is this one. Okay, so you might like this version better. You can kind of switch between the two by using the switch node, like maybe just plug this there, plug this there. You can always customize your creations, your geometry nodes tree. Just gonna pipe this into group input so you can have this switch. So how did I create this? There are a few different methods. The process actually is rather simple. You simply need to have like this add-on called logo tracer. So edit preferences. I already have this installed, logo tracers. Just simply find this add-on and then install it into Blender. So all you need is to provide it with an image of a silhouette of a person. If it would be better if your image is actually already like this. So this is another example. I think this is one of the K-pop actors or actress or a singer. I can't remember the name, but anyway, if you provide with something like this, it will be easier for this add-on to convert it into curve that you can use. So let me show you. Okay, with this guy over here, I'm gonna load. Okay, before I do this, this is another example actually with this actor. I'm using an app called Photoroom, and with Photoroom you can actually turn photos into silhouette very easily. So you can have this example, like you have this result, like the face is already cut out. So all you need to do is just to save it into files and then just load it into Blender. So image, open, download, and let me try to find the image. Should be this one. Okay, so you can just load it, and using the add-on you can just click preview. Now it's actually using the alpha channel, so you already have a nice result. You might need to adjust the threshold until you have like a clean line, and then just click on the curve. Okay, you have this result. Gonna clean up a little bit. Okay, so that's one example. I'll do another one. Just become a PNG from Photoroom. Photoroom is actually available on the iPhone as well. Same case. This is 759. Preview. I have another one. Create a curve. So we have some example there. So from this node setup, I just simply need to apply this into the curve over here. So geometry nodes and another one, geometry nodes. Oh, okay, this one actually failed. Interesting. I wonder what happened. I wonder why this one failed. Okay, the other one works. Maybe some of the setup is incorrect or something. So this guy, for example, because it's not square, because this profile image is not square, I need to adjust it somewhat. Maybe I can use this shift and then right drag, and then I use transform, and then just pipe this transform scale so I can scale the profile, so it's correct. This guy, with this guy, it's failing on the add. Okay, we can switch. Okay, that seems to be working. Why this one failed? Maybe because the way I set it up. So I need to fix that for sure. Let's take a look with the geometry node itself. So it's using the second one at the moment. It's just a simple mesh lines that's being duplicated 100 times. I can control the number. So I should definitely pipe this out as well. Drag this, pipe this into group input, so we have control over how many duplicates we want to create. And it's simply duplicating the curve, which is coming from this input. Okay, so we can control the resampling of the curve. So there's a lot of control inside. Yeah, okay. And we can also control this resolutions of the profile extrusion and also the radius. So you have to decide which parameter you want to be giving to your users. Anyhow, the other one failed, so I need to switch back to this one, and I wonder why. Because I'm pretty sure this curve should work. So curve coming in, and then I transform it. Maybe I need to move it ups and down. No, that doesn't. That's affecting the boolean, of course. I think the boolean might fail somewhere. So what I did with the curve, I convert it into mesh, and then I transform it and rotate it 180 degrees, and then I'm using the bounding box and then just place it on the floor, and something happened here that's causing it to fail on that silhouette. Maybe this offset is failing. This is the scale of the bounding box. So you might be able to make this one working a little bit better. I'm simply using boolean actually, so it shouldn't be a problem. So it seems to be making a cutout. Maybe I should have resampled the curve. Or if I make it larger just now. Maybe I just need to offset it. Okay, in the wireframe you can see it seems to be working. So maybe my setup is not 100% perfect. My feeling is that the curve is inverted. This is also something to keep in mind. Reverse the curve. Yep, okay. We need to enable that as well. So back to our profile tracer. In case like if the curve is actually reversed, we need to provide reverse curve and pipe this out as an option. Okay, switch. This is the original curve, and this is the one that's inverted, and the switch should goes out, and this goes there. So depending on your geometry, you might need to turn this switch on and off. Okay, now we have 3 different profiles. So it's really simple. As long as you have a curve, you can create this kind of artwork. So I think it's kind of neat. Switch whether you want to have this kind of artwork or this kind of artwork. I think I like this one a lot. So you can walk inside. Something you can export and give to your friend or family. So just take photos of yourself or friends or family from the side view. I think this make a nice artwork. So all you need to do is to get the photos, and then you use the logo tracers, and then simply use the alpha channel. I'm using it again with Photoroom app. This app is really cool. All you need to do is find a nice photos of profile and then bring it into Photoroom, and it should work. All right, so let me do another example. Actually, let's see. Okay, this girl, save it into the downloads. This might work, this might fail. Profile example. This is WebP. I just gonna right click and open it with Photos app. Well, it doesn't always work. So anyway, with Photoroom, you need to put it into Photos app, and then you just load it, and it's gonna do its job. All right. Anyway, thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.